Hi everyone, this is an unboxing video of the Sennheiser B30 battery compartment. So let's open it up. So we got this. I thought this was just a cover for a lithium-ion battery, but I looked on the internet some more, and it actually is a holder for putting two AA batteries in, which is way awesome. So let's take a look at that. There it is. It's got the connectors on it. It's got stuff on it. So it looks just like a normal battery pack. Let's compare this to the okay, so if you're looking at these two, this one is the one that comes with the system and is lithium-ion based. And this one is the one that has the two AA's you can put in it. Put it on its edge, thickness-wise, they look pretty similar. This one's got a notch in it, this one doesn't. Start on its back, and that's where the real difference shows up. We've got AA's you can put in here, and then we've got just a lithium-ion battery. Side looks the same. Back. So let's look at this. The original, this is the one with the lithium-ion in it, and it's got the charging port. So it's got the charging port, and this one is the battery pack. So if we look at them lengthwise, it looks like this one is a bit shorter. Yeah, let's see how that fits on there. So, let's try this. Slides on just fine. Looks pretty normal. It's definitely plastic. So this is definitely plastic compared to this one, which is also plastic. You know, they're both plastic, so it doesn't really matter. So there you go. Well, in the same way. That's kind of exciting. Alright, so there's that one. Here's this one. It's got batteries. So let's plug it in here. Slide it in. Let's power it up. Power it up. There we go. And I am talking continuously into the microphone, and the lavalier is paired, and it is working. Awesome. It works with the regular batteries, and it's showing full batteries. Interesting, it's not showing hours. Like if you use the, let's get this up there. So you can see it's using just a regular battery meter. So instead of showing like the number of hours left, like it does with the lithium-ion, it shows bars for the battery. Kind of interesting. All right. And I'm going to talk continuously while I am going, Okay, I'm going to talk continuously. It's now powering up. This has no link. And let's see how long it takes for this one to come online. And awesome, it's online. Very cool. And like the other one, this is also showing a battery meter instead of showing how many hours of video there are left. Lithium-ion weighs 59 grams. So the one with lithium-ion is 2 1/8 ounces. Test the one with batteries. 65, 66 grams. The one with the batteries is 2 3/8 ounces. So we're looking at 7 grams heavier for the two AA's. But yeah, very cool. Sled works with alkaline, it works with rechargeable batteries. I'm pretty happy with that. I was going to return this because I thought it was just a cover. I thought it was literally a cover that you put the lithium-ion battery in, but it's not. It's not at all. It is a battery sled for AA's, and I think that will make my kit a little bit more versatile. So I think I will use this one by default. So I'll use the one that comes with it, charge it up. I like the rechargeableness of it. I like that it lasts for 5 hours. That's awesome. And then I will keep this one in my kit so that if I need it, I can swap batteries out without having to recharge my system. Awesome. Anyway, so that was my review of the Sennheiser B30, which is not the BA30, the B30 battery compartment. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.